In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print checks in QuickBooks using Blank Check 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your checks in QuickBooks, cue them to print, load your blank check stock correctly, and choose the right print settings so everything lines up on the page. We'll begin inside QuickBooks. Start by creating the checks you want to print. Click the plus sign labeled New, then choose Check. Fill in the essentials: the payee, the bank account the money is coming from, the amount, and the correct category or item so your accounting stays accurate. Take a moment to review that you've selected the right bank account and that the category reflects how you want the expense reported. If you track details for your records, the memo field can be helpful. When everything looks right, check the box that says Print Later. This tells QuickBooks to hold the check in your print queue. Select Save and Close. If you have more than one check to prepare, repeat the same process for each one so they're all ready to print together. Now it's time to print the checks. Click New again, and under Vendors, select Print Checks. Choose the appropriate bank account so QuickBooks pulls the correct list of checks waiting to be printed. You'll see the checks you marked to print later. Select the ones you want to include in this batch. Choose Preview and Print to confirm that the payee names, amounts, and layout appear as expected before committing to the printer. Next, load your blank check stock into the printer. Make sure you know the format of your paper. Some stock places the check at the top, others in the middle, and some have 3 checks per page. The packaging usually indicates the formats, and your printer tray icon or guide shows which side faces up. Align the stack neatly to avoid skewing, and feed it according to your printer's instructions so the print lands in the correct areas. In the print window, choose the correct paper size, which is letter, 8.5 by 11 inches. Set the scale to 100% or actual size so your printer doesn't shrink or enlarge the content. Use portrait orientation for proper alignment. Avoid options like fit to page or borderless, which can shift placement. When you're confident the preview matches your check stock format and your settings are correct, click Print. That's it. You've created your checks, queued them to print, loaded your blank check paper, and printed with the right settings for clean, professional results.